Rebuilding from within. After loss, change, or disruption, many people focus on fixing external circumstances first. Without inner stability, progress can feel fragile and short-lived. Rebuilding from within creates a stronger foundation for lasting growth and resilience. True rebuilding by clients always starts with self-trust and inner alignment. When they focus on their values, emotional health, and self-awareness, external changes feel more sustainable. For me, rebuilding from within is about strengthening who I am, not just what I do. Action steps. Take a moment today to check in with your inner state before addressing external challenges. Identify one inner resource, such as patience, courage, or compassion, that you can strengthen this week. Small, internal shifts often lead to meaningful external change over time. If you would like support to rebuild your clarity and confidence from the inside out, please get in contact with me for personalized coaching or counseling support at yourtrueservices.com.au.